Hey guys, today we are going to check out the best full RGB mechanical keyboard under 2500 rupees. It's none other than the CosmicByte CB-GK-16 Firefly Mechanical Keyboard. We'll be discussing every aspect of this keyboard, so before going on, stay subscribed and press the bell icon for latest videos from this channel. First of all, let's quickly go through the unboxing of the product. The packaging of the product is really nice. Out of the box, it's just the keyboard. No keycap remover, no user manual. So finally here's the keyboard. Let's find out how good it is for the price. On talking about the build quality, it feels strong and premium. It's made of some good quality plastic. Also, it feels pretty heavy, but I think maybe it's a good thing for a gaming keyboard to not slip away while gaming. But on talking about portability, it's a bad thing. The keyboard comes with a 10 keyless layout and comes with the out move blue switches in which the keycaps are removable. It also comes with a high quality braided USB cable. It does have the height adjusting legs for better typing position. The typing experience on the keyboard is pretty decent, and let's see how it sounds when we type on this keyboard. Moving on, backlighting options on this keyboard are really cool. We can adjust the brightness to 7 different levels. We can set the keyboard to single color mode with 7 different color options which we can choose from. Also, it comes with 11 different lighting modes as follows. Moving on, it's a great keyboard for gaming with anti-ghosting on all keys. Also, the RGB lights helps to use it throughout day and night. So on winding up, this can be a great keyboard for those who guys looking for a mechanical keyboard with full RGB for gaming and normal use at an affordable price. So I'll be sharing the link for the product and links for firmware updates of this keyboard in description. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Also feel free to comment down your opinions. Thanks for watching.